A quick update coming in after the first meeting of the high-powered committee on CBI Director Alok Verma. The three-member panel will meet again today. The first meeting of the committee was inconclusive. Now, let's remember this is coming in after the Supreme Court verdict that essentially reinstated the CBI Director. Right, now my colleague Meenakshi Bhanja will be on the phone line in just a moment to give us more updates. And yesterday's meeting of the selection committee, let's remember, who will be taking a call on the future of Alok Verma, was inconclusive, and we understand that there is another meeting that is likely. The high-powered committee will in fact be meeting yet again today. My colleague Meenakshi Bhanja joining me on the phone line with more. Meenakshi, good morning. Take us through the details.
Well, Sanjana, this is going to be very crucial and also very interesting because remember, last evening we saw a massive strike back by Alok Verma, if you will, where he went on to reverse all the transfer orders which were ordered earlier by the CBI interim director Nageshwar Rao. And yesterday's meeting also threw up some interesting aspects when leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge insisted in that meeting as to how Alok Verma should get opportunity to depose before this high-powered committee, and the 77 days that he was without powers as director CBI should be adequately compensated. So clearly, that was a meeting which happened after much ado, Ranjan, because remember earlier in the day yesterday we saw Mallikarjun Kharge place two requests for an adjournment of the high-powered committee meeting. But despite the Prime Minister being on a tour of Maharashtra, from which he got back only at around 6:30 in the evening, the said meeting at his residence cum office was held at around 8 last evening. And subsequent to that, Honorable Justice A K Sikri was making a representation for the Honorable Chief Justice of India's position, who did not choose to be a part of the meeting because Honorable Chief Justice of India had authored that judgment against Alok Verma. So in this backdrop, given the fact that there are some high-octane activities happening at the CBI, this particular high-powered committee is all set to meet sometime in the latter part of the day. We have been given to understand for now at 4 p.m. today.
Right, Meenakshi, thank you so much for bringing us those updates. We'll continue tracking the latest and come to you for more.